Hey guys, what you just saw is some base runs. This is day one for us on clutching on this 22 Commander XMR, the Dalton Clutch Kit. We've been waiting on, it's finally here, just to get to it. And so a lot of people just curious what the top speed of the XMR Commander is. So, this kind of doused that curiosity, if you will, and it gives us something to go off of, and then some before and some after. So basically, this is just, like I said, a base deal. This is a bone stock machine. The only thing been added to it is a windshield and a back panel, and that is it. So, like I said, for those who are curious about how it works as is, don't own one, want to know what RPM is, etc., now you know. Make sure you check out our website. We presently have a belt. The clutch kits will be on there soon. All the tools is there already. So we're fixing to get rocking and rolling on this. But you got any questions? Todd at Hunterworks.com.